And what's going on YouTube? Today we got another video for you. I'm gonna keep coming up with these videos. So today I got a power bank that I'm gonna do a customization on, and I got these Louis Vuitton stencils that I'm gonna incorporate on top of it. So my idea is I'm gonna put a black on the bottom of it, and then I'm gonna have half transitioning into the blue, like wrapping around on top with the Louis Vuitton stencils underneath the blue. It's gonna be a nice video. I'm not gonna hold you guys up any too longer. Let's get straight into it.
Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Yeah. Life been lit just how I want it. Yeah, yeah. Now she talking like she want me. Yeah, ayy. Wave. Look, life been lit just how I want it. I look like stressing, I be finessing, Dolo in my section, built like a blessing.
So as you guys might have seen, my airbrush broke down, so I had to hand paint the whole thing, but same results. I mean, everything's pretty solid all the way around. I'll put the Louis Vuitton stencil on there just to see how it looks, but I'm gonna put that all over the front of it. But I mean, it looks good. No cracks, no missed spots. I didn't miss anything up here. So let's get straight to it. Put the rest of these stencils on and enjoy the video.
I look like stressing, I be finessing, got my muscle flexing, my money stretching. Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. It's blue tints on my hundreds. Life been going how I want it. Bands like a main event, already paid the rent. Feeling like winning my favorite shit. Boy, I was made for this. Flex mode on gym.
So after I went to take the stencils off, unfortunately, it peeled some of the black off.
You suck.
Luckily, I have a plan B, so I'm gonna take the rest of these stencils off and I'm gonna hand paint all the black back in there. Slowly but surely.
I been that young legend, no. Them boys can't fuck with it, I ain't shy, I'ma let them know. All of my bitches be multiples of 10, I'm fed to win, All of my niggas be comfortable with sins from his to Jen, Niggas be hating because I been ballin' and they gotta ride the bench again. Ain't gotta wonder, I know when she callin' that she tryna ride that dick again. Keep it a C note, niggas is D-League, they could be more. I brought the A game, gripping them B cups by the seashore. Filling up my rubber band, 100 band, I need that. Big dog, no small bark, I'm cool on your feedback. Yeah, ain't shit sweet, ain't shit funny. Look, it's blue tints on my...
So here we go. Final product. Everything came out well. The colors look great. Don't look like I messed up anywhere really, besides when the black came off, but we fixed that. As you see, it's lit. We got it done. We got the Louis Vuitton power bank. Let's cut it on. Still works. We in there. We lit. Let me know how you feel in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video.
Life been going how I want it. Fuck, I look like stressing.